Hello and good afternoon to all of you. Good afternoon, ma'am. Um, so ngayon, we will talk about agriculture marketing. Agriculture marketing is not simplify selling the commodities or goods. Hindi lang siya ganon. So why? This is important we need to study that agricultural commodities now you might have realized that agriculture is a very essential for our survival. So in fact, taking agricultures now or courses or degree, agribusiness or agripreneur or agronomy, whatsoever, etc., is less appreciated course despite the fact it is the number one priority of the Commission of Higher Educations. So, dito kasi sa atin, pag agriculture ka, mababa yung tingin sa'yo. Hindi lang nila alam na the study of agriculture is one of the difficult subject in the college life. So, next. Agricultural marketing definition. Agri-marketing is a connecting link between producer and consumer. The link involved two activities. Number one is physical distribution, concerned with the physical handling process, transfer, raw, and the semi-finished goods from the point production of point consumption. So it means daw it I've been in South Cotabato. So many of us na nakapunta na rin doon kasi nung travel natin. So madadaanan natin yun ano doon yung Del Monte ba yun factory or plantation ng Del Monte, banana plantation. So itong ano na to is physical distribution kung saan siya tinanim or saan siya inaani, on the point of production, produced in order to prepare the product to become a pineapple juice or banana chips. So, dapat alam mo kung ano ba yung mapoproduce ni mapoproduce ni pineapple. Physical distribution is also pag sinasabing system. Wait. Next is economic chance. Concerned with exchange with the price setting process during the marketing stage system. So, itong sa economic agents, it is all about bayad. Pag narinig natin economic, it is means parang pumapasok sa atin bayad. The example nito, alam naman natin na exporting tayo ng product from a different country like China, Europe. No wonder tayo kung ano ba yung ginagamit natin sa lapi dyan. Whether dollar or pera ba natin or whatsoever na banking, through, parang ganun siya. So, because they said na basic economic diff is yung bayad. Pero ang ginagamit natin through economic exchange, yung currency, ano ba yung tawag dyan? Yung example, kasi yung from different country, meron tayong OFW. Yun yung tulong ng OFW. Nagpapadala sila ng pera, tapos convert to dollar, tapos yung dollar, yun na nagiging reserve natin para pag mag-export tayo, yun hindi yung gagamitin natin. Import para yun na rather. So let's proceed the marketing system and commodity. The marketing system is based on commodities at yung type of productions na magkakaiba yan ng system. Example, the culture, tradition of the producer, and the level of the development of what particular country sector of the what country sector. So like sa atin, so very traditional pa. So pisikalan masyado kasi nga hindi tayo upgraded in terms of technology. Unlike doon sa ibang bansa like China, Japan, na di using for high technology o kumbaga updated na technology. In fact, mas mabilis yung trabaho pag ganyan. Tapos mas marami silang kita kasi pag the more na marami kang ma-produce, the more na marami kang magbinta, thus the more din na marami kang profit. The marketing system may differ widely according to commodities. The producer, culture, tradition, ito na yan siya. Ang selected major commodities natin is large screen, livestock, and eggs, vegetable, frozen, at iba pang products sa ating bansa. The next is itong physical market system, beginning with the assembling of the collecting located in the rural rural areas close to the producer to the next stage, involved of the storage areas to the national grains marketing facility owned by the operated by the appointed of the government COC. Itong si physical market system is the pinagsasabing system. Pag sinasabi natin system, so mayroong naka-in place na mga series of activities na interrelated ng mga participant and almost predict what happened because it is a system, neither it is a tradition or ang system kasi na iba-iba yan sa iba different country na meron ding specific marketing for the specific place. We have also market na tinatawag na bagsakan dito sa atin. Kung meron din tayong tinatawag na marketing system na that we grade to study na mayroon cooperative, mayroon ding group. So let us try to examine ano ba talaga itong si marketing system. So the basic commodities at sa type of the production, magkakaiba-iba yan the system. So that development to what particular country and particular sector of the country. So kapag bansa ay very traditional talaga, yun yung sabi ko kanina na they will use by the ano talaga, pisikalan talaga, sumano-mano, kumbaga sa Tagalog pa. Pag yung country naman na medyo maunlad, yun, mayroon silang mga kagamitang upgraded para mapabilis yung trabaho nila. Like dito sa atin, pero sa atin, also na rin kasi ngayon yung online shopping. So even the delivery, no, you can hire the delivery man for to send your product who can be hired deliveries and also be a mode of payment. So dati, yung pagbabayad, kailangan ikaw talaga mag-aabot doon sa babayaran mo. Pero ngayon, pwede ka nang gumamit ng GCash through online banking. Being the case of the overview of the selected commodities, by the ways nga palang commodities na Tagalog is yung paninda or produkto. Ang tinitinda mo is large grain, livestock, or meat. Doon kanina sa picture, and eggs, cotton, or milk. Paano sila minamarket? So now we will talk about system approach. Ito na yun. Independent in the mean, umaasa tayo sa, for example, may paninda ka na, dalhin mo sa mga palengke. Pero tayo, kalimitan ay umaasa sa mga tinatawag natin marketing support or providing transportations. And also sa mga middleman, sa mga trader, umaasa din dyan sa mga mararaming interrelated aspect na tinatawag nating enterprises. I-clarify ko lang ha, ang enterprise ay business na isang klase lamang ang produkto or ang concentrations. Kapag naman mayroon palay or mangga, mais, or iba pang mga commodities, ang tawag doon is business enterprises. So ito makikita natin dito sa pictures is on-farm storage for sell later. So sa farm center ng storage, now we have storage area. Pwedeng pumunta yung livestock, itong farmers, no? So pumunta sila dito sa storage para magpaano sila ng commodities. Tas ito namang si storage, pwede siya especially doon sa corn yung product, punta siya dito sa farm used to livestock feeds from farmers, especially yung mga big commodities. May tinatawag na again green marketing. So ito yun siya. Green marketing is specialized to study of the specific commodity, kung kailangan ba talaga natin mag-import, kung sila din yung nagbabantay dun sa pricing or fluctuating ba yung pricing ng importations. Kasi green marketing is also sila yung nag-recommend sa presidente kung kailangan ba talaga natin mag-import. Kaya nga tayo may food security din natin. So, dito na rin pumapasok si commission and broker. So, itong tatlo, consumer, feed, animal feeder, producer, or miller livestock, kung sila yung mga nag-aalok. Why we have need to broker? Bakit kailangan natin yung broker? So, pag big volume na yung mga perform na extra systematic, we need to selling things. They will processing the paper, so but may certain percent cut off for pay. May certain na bayad. Kumbaga may bayad pa rin doon kasi nga uh, for assist your people or because government had collected the taxes. So doon pa rin napupunta sa government. Sorry na bro. So what is the market? Ito siya. What a market can be defined as an area for organizing, facilitating business activities and for answering the following basic economic questions. So ang sabi dito, what is to produce? So ano daw yung kailangan mo that they need? Of course, we need to know na um ang mga kailangan ng mga tao. Siyempre, nasa palengke ka, tas dapat alam mo kung ano ba yung kailangan ng mga tao doon. So, you can sell the goods. Hindi pwedeng doon ka sa palengke tas magbibinta ka ng ganito na hindi naman related doon sa daily needs ng mga tao. Tapos ito number two, how to produce. Itong how to produce, for example, no, kanina pumunta kami ng palengke para kumain doon sa Idol Bulalo. Tapos ang nangyari, wala silang stocks kasi nga hindi nila alam kung paano, wala silang inventory na tinatawag. Kasi pag doon sa inventory, malalaman mo kung short ka ba this week or kailangan mo ba, aabot ba tayo next week, ganun. So, ang nangyari doon, example, meron silang bakat, tapos nag-order sila ng, for example, 20%, mga 50% yung kakain. So, doon lang yung i-order nila. Hindi sila nag-advance. Kumbaga, itong si how to produce, dapat maano mo siya, predict mo talaga na dapat yung product mo is marami kang mo produce in terms kahit. So, yun na nga, yung nalilito ako doon. So, number 3 is how to produce. So, itong how to produce is paano ka daw magluluto. Or paano mo siya mapoproduce yung product, paano ka ba gagawa ng product. So, like for example sa atin, kasi uso masyado yung competitions, especially sa mga street foods. Kasi pag nagbinta ka ng barbecue, tas kinabukasan, nagbinta naman doon yun sa kabila ng barbecue. Or banana Q, ganyan, binabusiness siya. So, ikaw na vendor, dapat you know how to produce the product. Dapat marami ka pa rin idea paano mo maakit yung customer. Paano ba sa kanya, banana with sugars, dapat sa'yo, banana with sugar and sesame para maakit din yung customer. Yun yung tinatawag natin produce. So, ito namang how to distribute. How to distribute is, for example, no, kasi sa ating, for example, sa slaughterhouse. So, kasi sa slaughterhouse is may tinatawag tayo dyan na AAA, AA, saka single A. Dapat yung double A na yan, kasi within the other municipalities pwede ka mag-deliver, dapat alam mo kung anong oras siya darating doon sa pagdi-deliveran mo ng product. So, dito is marketing definition by the different people. So, ang sabi dito, consumers is for shopping lang daw. It is trip to supermarket. So, parang ang sa kanila is mamamalingki lang. For farmers, may assist marketing with loading of the cows into pick up the truck into the market. So, kumbaga sa kanila is ikakarga lang nila yung cows, tas yun, ipapahatid na doon sa palengke. Tapos ito naman si food middleman and retail wholesale processor, we market has the process gaining competitive advantage of revealing improving sales and profit. So itong sa marketing process is our Greek marketing system start with the farmer has production ends of the consumer. But between these two as marketing is composed of. So number 1 is business firm. Business firm engaged for the physical technological activities and run by the people who make the decisions. Dapat mabilis daw siya mag-decision. So, it sense organization. So, next na tayo dito kasi parang explain natin ito. Number 1, si stage transportation. So, itong si transportation, for a while. Just a moment. Example nito no is transportation is commodity buyers specializing in specific agricultural. So dapat doon yung stage assembly pala. So number one is assembly. So yun siya. So ang assembly is ito yung ano siya, yung nagko-collect na yung nagko-collect yung buyer ng for a while na. Itong si assembly is i-assume natin na nakapag-harvest. Example no, nakapag-harvest ka na. Ina-assemble natin ng assemble natin. Bakit sinasabing assembly? Kasi nga pwede siyang small farmers or small production. So yung assemble na pwedeng tawaging middleman, biyahero or traders. Mamimili sila ng mga bawal na produkto, small farmers, para lang marami siyang produkto. Hindi lang about doon sa dami, but it's also na makakatipid sila ng transportations. Tapos itong si assembly is commodity by placing specific agricultural products. So such commodities as grain, cattle, beef, or farm, the poultry, eggs, and milk. So number 2 is stage 2, transportations. Itong si transportation is independent order tracking to companies, reloads, airline, or etc. Kasi kailangan natin ng airlines kasi bakit? Meron tayong goods or product na dapat mabilis lang darating doon sa specific place. For example natin yan is yung mga dairy. Kasi yung dairy talaga, kailangan talaga niya ng mabilisan delivery kasi mapapanis yun eh. Tapos, itong si storage. So, storage is green elevator, public refrigerator warehouse. So, itong storage, kailangan talaga nito yung mga large or big commodities na tinatawag yung mga greens. Kasi nga, you can put your para maganda yung pagkalagay mo ng mga bigas. Kasi hindi siya pwedeng maulanan kasi malulugi yung business natin. So, kailangan mo talaga ng malaking warehouse. So, number 4 is grading and classifications. Itong classification commodity is ito yung tinatawag kasi dumadaan siya sa like for example yan is yung coffee, tapos ano ba yung isa? Basta marami siyang may product talaga na dapat dadaan yan sa government or community government packaging official. Dapat ma-check nila yan kasi may grading yung tinatawag. Tapos ito namang stage 5 is processing. So ang processing is food fiber. Ito siya. So alam naman natin yung fiber talagang pinaprocess yan, ginagawa yan ng damit. Yung iba naman food plant such as flour, yan. So undergo process yan siya. Si kasaba, tapos ginagawa siyang flour, tapos si milk, si rice, si cotton, walls and wood, retail fruits or vegetable canning to yung mga nakalata. Ito naman is packaging, number 6. Packaging is make of din can or cardboard was film or whatsoever na kailangan pa-package. Pero yung packaging dapat is yung pang-akit sa customer. So, kasi one of the big contribution to sales talaga is yung packaging kasi nakaka-akit yan. For example, ako, dapat first na chine-check ko kasi sa market, pag nagbibili ako ng mga dilata or something like nakabalot mo dyan, plastic, yung halal. Kasi pag walang halal, hindi ko talaga bibilihin yan. Kasi nga, alam naman natin haram yan. So, number 7 is distribution and retailing. So ito, doon na sila nagtatapos. Itong distribution and wholesale, ito naman sila chain store, yung mga maliliit na store, sila na din yun. So kumbaga parang related yun sa atin, yung sa mga barangay, sila na rin yung din. So yun lang po, pasensya na po kasi nga hindi ko mamis. Yun lang po, maraming salamat. Saka yung report pala na to is may karugtong. Ipagpatuloy po ng aking to be continue po ng kasama ko si Bay Sultan. Thank you, ma'am.